Yo, what's good, people? I'm here at Airtight Studios with my guy Jack and my guy Ellis.
Yes, sir.
This session, I think we're just gonna cook up some beats, man. No set structure, we haven't got any challenges. Don't even know what type of beat we're gonna cook up yet.
We'll just see what happens.
Maybe try, maybe drill, maybe a couple. Yeah, we'll see, man. I feel like you two need a name for the synth duo. Like
Synth Palace.
the Sim Sisters.
Nah, that's crazy. Yo, is that what we're doing now? We're having a duo name now. That's crazy. Yeah, just take us through your process. Yeah, show us how you know what you're using and that.
Yeah,
because I'm always interested.
I was gonna try and make something sort of more like what you guys would make, I guess. Obviously, I'd make a lot of drill, but should we do trap for the first one?
We know that.
I mean,
yeah, just do whatever genre you want. I just mean like the sounds really and like the.
Yeah.
What plugins? What are we doing?
Electro X.
Damn, I ain't seen this one in a minute. Blow the dust off this one.
Yeah, maybe just some hard trap shit.
Sounds alright.
Maybe something with a bit of movement to it, like
Yeah.
a little harp or something.
Sounding very 2016.
Now that you said 2016, I'm hearing one of those like, you know, those like trap whistles that you used to always hear in like Lil Wayne beats and stuff. Okay, we're going for it.
Oh no.
We're going old school, man. Old school trap. Someone want to jump on? I don't know if you like this.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Let's take the seat.
Fuck it, yeah, go on. Alright, so. Just delete it. What the fuck? Where is it? How'd you. Oh, is it 2 fingers to right click? Oh, yeah, it's one of these ones. Oh, this is going to be interesting.
Do you want to use the mouse?
I want to try my best to do the trackpad, but if it gets too long, then I will.
Do you know the Mac controls and shit? Like the shortcuts? Nah. Basically, the commands control option is alt.
Got you. Oh, he's got pitch shifter. There we go.
Of course.
Okay, we'll use that in a bit maybe, but I'm going to just bounce this to audio.
You better do Fruit Slash on it.
Yeah. I want to like shorten these chord notes because there's no room for anything else. I'm gonna try and like do something here. This might take a minute.
You sure you don't want mouse?
Oh, fuck. I don't think I'll be any quicker to be honest. Oh yeah, John, get me the mouse. Okay, here we go. Do you know what? I'm gonna do you a favour real quick, just before we continue. See this here, yeah?
What's that?
Gesture
Click and hold.
function.
Special gesture.
So when you hold down right click, you get the cut tool.
Ah, okay.
I've been using this for years. It's so
And then
useful.
what about deleting?
You can still delete, but you just have to hold it.
Oh,
And it takes a second to come up so it doesn't get confused.
Got you.
You can turn it off if you want. I need it, I can't lie, for this. I need it for everything though. Alright, cool. Bit faster maybe. Bit of bounce.
If you want to fuck that whistle off, if you're not feeling it.
No, I
exchange it
want
for
to try and
a
make
lead
it
or
work. I want to try and make it work. I reckon this will make it sound sick if I bounce it and reverse and that. Alright, cool.
Let's
There
do
you
that,
go.
Yeah.
That's the one. Now we can try and shift it. That's it. Something like that. Now you could definitely do trap on this.
Oh jeez. First time on the Mac. I'm scared.
Oh, yeah. You got the mouse connected, don't you? Should be
Yeah,
alright.
thank God.
How'd these get made? Do
Um,
you guys want to record them?
yeah.
That's sick. Wait. That a bit. That da-da-da, that sounded sick.
Yeah, some effects on that.
That da-da-da, that sounds nice.
Should get some effectors on it.
No, don't do this. It's gonna make it sound stupid.
That could be cool.
It works well with the.
Yeah, I think this
verses.
is hard, you know. It's
Yeah.
one of those trust the process beats.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, let me stick some.
Most
delay on
beats are like that though, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely.
You could put drums over this part.
Yeah. Just get a sexy red on it.
It looks like, because the light's on me, it looks like you guys are locked characters. Especially Ellis.
I kind of like a flip as well.
Yeah,
It's
you
hard.
could work with that. Glitches.
Never seen someone just start straight with a glitch though.
Oh my god.
You're trying to quantize.
I'm trying to just get it to go to the end. Oh, you know what?
It's
Fuck
cute,
it.
innit?
That could work.
Of course. Use that all the time, that one, man. Bow.
Wow. I'll just do a kick now, I'll pass it off. What about over here though? Nah. Oh, it's because it starts weird though. It's supposed to start with this part.
That's kind of hard. And then repeat it there.
Oh! Fuck
Throw some
off!
emojis in it, man. It works every time.
What's this part here? Nah, what the fuck?
It's
Yo.
kind of hard. Trust the process, man.
Alright, yeah. What was that one there?
This one.
That one?
Up one. Oh, that.
That's what. You put it on the one or something, just like, oh! Little delay maybe. Yeah, so effects of that. Oh! That's hard. Oh, he's added some more.
We're coming out some point.
Burn 808. Is that what we're on?
Class.
Oh my days. Where are you gonna put it?
Fine space.
Force it in there. Be alright. Woo! We just need to structure it.
Yeah.
Back door, front door, pulling up, track, whole beat going. Track, no. Sick.
Yeah, man.
Hard.
Put my
tag on that.
Let's just go completely left with this one.
Oh no.
Let's just do that thing where, what's it called? Sample at IO.
That random thing.
Yeah, where it just gives you something. Don't care about the region. The year, let's go max 1978, minimum 1965.
It's good work.
This could definitely work.
Yeah. Yeah, this sounds sick. Yeah.
It's like some metro type shit. Okay, here we go. Right. First step of sample flipping is you
Yeah.
gotta get it in time.
I'll try Serato, you know. Serato's pretty good
Yeah,
for
go
that.
on then. If you vouch for Serato, we'll use it.
Okay. That works. I'll play around with them.
Yeah, go on. I haven't flipped the sample in ages, bro.
Fuck, I thought we had it a minute ago.
Have that 1 second, I would say. So put that one where the second one is instead. So move the
What's
third one
this
to
one?
where number 2 is. That's it. And then
Like
try
that?
and find something else. And then try go lower. And again. And again. It almost loops around. Go on. No, it's that last one.
Did you have a chop in mind?
I do, but let Ellis do it.
Yeah.
Let's see if he can figure it out.
Okay.
Because it's my idea. So I've got to read your mind now. No, just use that part.
What the little
I'm trying to give you some screen time, bro.
Oh, what in the Mac is this?
That looped honestly, like,
Okay, hold
that
on.
can honestly work with a few changes. I feel like we could do better.
Damn it.
I do. It's not even on grid. You can tell it's like chopped it wrong in the grid.
Do you want me to sort Serato?
Darn it. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah.
There you go. And
This
it
has
changes at
got
the
a-
end, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, move it off the one.
Why don't you just do like dun 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 dun?
Maybe that's better.
Oh, you know, I'm just not going to loop that second part. Honestly, I think that it doesn't need
Yeah.
anything else for the drums. I need something thick.
I kind of like it just as it is as well.
You got a kit for everything, innit?
Whatever you need.
Going to
man.
the Cactus Fields right now. Wait, play that one before. Maybe just the end part.
Yeah.
Yeah, hard. I feel like a vocal on that would sound good, like a vocal
Oh,
chop.
yeah. Like that. So we just need an intro now, don't we? How much did we pitch it up?
This part.
Start like this.
Low-key, let it play. It sounds like this bit sounds like the intro to that Drake and Yeet song.
I didn't even change the BPM or anything.
It's not even the same key. It's not even the same key.
That?
Yeah,
I
fuck
pitched them
it.
both
Fuck it
up
off then.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's hard actually. That's
Okay.
hard.
Just grab that. Fuck it.
That's better.
Yeah. Just last touch.
Let's hear it through. It's hard.
Yeah. That's it, man.
That's sick.
Hard.